the Poor Guy's PC. This video was inspired by Rob over at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hence, Poor Guy Build, right? So I met Rob. Rob's a cool dude. He does a cooking channel. It's more fun and entertaining than it is learning, but he's still a cool dude. He sent me a magnet. I thank you, Rob. So without further ado, let's get on to the Poor Guy Build.
Look at this crap.
All right, guys. So I decided to go ahead and build a Poor Guy's PC today. I think it was almost, if you tally it up, $444, somewhere along those lines. 4600G, an APU, onboard graphics. However, we are going to pair it up with a 1060. Now, this 1060, you can actually find one of these on eBay anywhere between 75 to 120 bucks. And yes, it's not the latest card. No, you can't have ray tracing. No, all that other stuff. But with that being said, though, whenever you're pairing up a graphics card with the 4600G, which is 6 cores, 12 threads, are you really going to put a 4070 in there? No. So we're going to put this together. We got B450, 32 gigs of RAM. The cheapest I could find is like $29 for a set of 16, a 500 gig M.2. Now, with that being said, this processor only supports 3.0, the PCIe 3.0. So I didn't realize I bought a 4.0 M.2. So we're going to find out whether or not that's going to work here as well. So, but we're going to go and throw this stuff on the test bench. I paid the cheapest bare minimum for a 500 watt power supply, a really cheap one. It's like kind of borderline sketchy. Do you really want to use it? So some of these parts, I don't know if I would recommend doing, just for the fact of like the power supply. So we're going to grab the test bench. We're going to put this turd together, pull this up, see if it pulls on the, pulls the M.2 up on the motherboard, and then we're going to throw it in the case. What kind of case did I get? Well, I'm going to tell you. Hey, we got a boot up close and personal on that big old case. Hey, we're going to unbox this case real quick and throw some fans in there, throw a computer in there, and see what this thing's all about, see how it looks. Okay, manufacturers. We build these computers, make sure I'm in frame. We build these computers so we can see inside. I know this build don't have RGB and all that fun jazz. More reason for not to put tinted glass on here. Why do we put tinted glass on here? I want to see the PC. Just my quirkiness, I guess. I don't know, my little pet peeve. Stop putting glass on here that you can't see through. The tinted glass. So with that being said, let's just go throw these fans in here and giddy up and going. We're going to do exhaust, intake, exhaust. Yeah. All right, let's fire this turd up and see what we got. I'm probably going to have to put the drivers in there for the 1060. Poor Guy's Build, right? So you can tell it's kind of dark in there. We got the white accents going on there, but for the most part, you know, a little bit of RGB from the motherboard, but $444, 4600G, 32 gigs of RAM, 1060, 6 gig, 450 motherboard, B450 motherboard, cheap components. Let's see how well this thing does. We're going to do another video and check temps. I told RJ that we're probably going to use this. I've been looking at these racing sims and stuff. I want to kind of do like a racing sim type of deal. I think this computer here would do a great, be a great PC for a racing sim. So we'll see what we got, see what happens with it. I don't know how to finish this, so we're just going to finish it like this.